we got this hard domino maze card. Bobby, you can fill that. And this. So let's get started. How do this thing work? Let's see. Bum 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 bum. 1, 2. 2 X's. 2 X's. 1, 2. It's right here. And this is a blocker. I think it goes right here. Does it? Yes. It goes right there. And no, I can solve that part. Okay, put this. Why is that there? I have no idea what's going on with this puzzle. Baba, you missed that one. And these ones too.
It's okay.
I'll grab them from down there if I need them. Okay, we already put 1 X. So X. So where does this go in? On top of this. Bang.
See, Mohit, it tells you if you have 1 dot, you have to use 1, 1, not the 3, 1. This is a bigger one. So you have to use the one which says 1 and this says 2. See, says 2 things on the top. See? So you have to use that way.
Okay.
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 I think this one goes here somewhere.
Let's see. It's right here. So it must go right here. And we go 1, 2, brick here. No, 2 bricks away. Which means the green one goes over here. So how do we solve this thing? Oh, 2 lines. Where do I put it? 2 bunk. Oh, here. Let's see how to solve this. That is confusing, bro. Hello, I am so confused. Someone help me. This is confusing. Solution.
This has to go this side.
Okay. That's so. This is the way it works.
Other side because it's gonna go in this side.
Sorry, Baba. Oh my God. Thank you, Daddy. That's why I was saying to put it that way. Wait, if that Baba, if that accidentally tumbled, we don't want it going that way. So that's why I'm gonna put this way, so it'll go this way instead of that way.
Okay.
No, I'm still building.
Yep.
Oopsies. Oh, did it. Done. So let's see how this is gonna work. I'll first put this the other way. Okay, let's see how this is gonna work.